In this video, I'll show you an interactive LLM chatbot in Python. It uses an HeatWave GenAI feature called HeatWave Chat. I wrote an article that explains how it works, and the code is available on Github. The details are in the description. So here I've just loaded 4 LLMs. The two first are in-database LLMs, meaning your data stay inside the HeatWave service. And the two last are from OCI generative AI service. The idea is to run a couple of queries on each LLM. So let's start with the first one, Llama 3 8 billion. So I ask him, who are you and when was the last update? Now I'll ask the same questions to the second one, Mistral. Same thing with the third one. And finally, let's ask the same question to the Meta Llama 3 70 billion. Thank you very much.